dear darlings, welcome back to the class with the English alphabet, and we did cover 19 letters of the English alphabet. Remember that song? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. S was the previous class alphabet letter we did cover. Today will be T with the sound T, T. Everyone say that? T, T. Let's have some examples. Yes, you are talented. You are talented. Your teacher, your parents help you to become talented out there. The teacher takes class to make you and help you to be talented, to have a brighter future. We are taking only T with the first letter, its sound, not in the middle or at the end. There are many, as we say, many things in English. Okay, and some of us are taller than the others who are tinier. Tinier means tiny, small in look. Small and tall. Okay, tall and tiny. And we have to keep our teeth hygienic. Okay, clean. We have to brush our teeth every morning and before we go to bed. Then we won't have a toothache. Okay, then we won't have a toothache. How many of you use telephone to talk to your friends, to your teacher or anyone? Telephone, talking, teacher. Yes. And then many of us are afraid of the animal, the tiger. T for tiger. Tortoise. Vegetable, also it is a fruit. Tomato. Tomato juice, tomato sauce might be tastier for some of us. And many of our parents or we use tomato sauce or just tomato either raw or ripened for our cooking. You love tomato, don't you? Yes. And after taking bath, we use towel like a turkey, a heavy one, to dry our body. Yes. And we use torch at night to, if we need anything to see. At night we use a torch. When we go out, we should have torch with us. If now we have a torch in our mobile, very handy. And then we might call taxi sometimes for our transportation if we don't have our own private vehicle. How many of you have heard trick or treat? Trick or treat. You know, in European countries, they, especially the children, walk or go to door, that means house to house. They say trick or treat, trick or treat. What does that mean? It's implied meaning there. If they don't give the children treat, that means sweets or fruits or anything that they would love. Automatically what they would do? Trick means some mischief. They become very mischievous, very naughty. They throw eggs to their door or stones to break their windows or doors. Yes. So the families better give them some treat. Nowadays it's not that safe at all. And especially this corona season, I don't think that they did. It has been celebrated in every year October 31st. October 31st is the Halloween day. Children go door to door, house to house, saying trick or treat, trick or treat. So T for trick, treat. Okay, and you don't become naughty out there. So now we covered many examples as it comes with the sound at the beginning. There are many with the in the middle or at the end that we will be covering as we go more and more with our classes. What is that? Tongue. Tongue. Do you keep your tongue as well clean? Yes. Then it's better to have a good hygienic system for our healthy body. So we did cover many examples with the letter T. Bye for now. See you next time.